Y'all, it's your girl TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. Y'all, I think this might be my favorite headband wig. Top 2 and not number 2. Like, seriously, I think this is it, y'all. Like, let's just get into the specs of this wig. So as you can see from the beginning of this video, this wig is going to be from Supernova Hair. I did an unboxing, so you saw everything that comes inside of this wig. They do give you a few headband pieces inside of this wig, and I also like that they gave the actual bedazzle headband too, because this is the first time that I've received one of those type of headbands, and I've been wanting to, you know, check one of those out, so I'm happy that they did send me that inside of my package. So the wig that I'm going to be wearing is going to be one of their curly units. This unit is in 200% density, so it is serving you lots of fullness, which I absolutely love fullness when it comes to my wigs. I don't really like, you know, the thinner wigs. So this is 200% density. The inch of this hair is going to be a 24 inch. The cap size is going to be your medium type cap size, which is pretty much average to fit the average head. I have a big head, so the fact that this is actually fitting me, it tells me a lot. One thing I love about this wig is that it comes with the actual clip-in pieces. So it's not the actual combs, but you know, like the little clips that come on the clip-ins. They actually have this inside of the wig. They have 3 in the front and then 2 in the back. I love that because for me, I feel like the combs kind of take out your hair a little bit. It can take out your hair, so if I would like to go a direction to minimize shedding within my hair, I would go towards the clip-in pieces. So that's one reason why I love this wig. Now with this order, they did give me extra headband pieces, but on their website it does says that they give you a free headband piece as a gift, so you will be able to choose, you know, a free headband if you would like one. As you can see, this wig is already attached with a standard black headband, and that pretty much just just so you can pretty much wear it out. But of course, I'm going to be adding the actual decorative headband pieces onto this wig so you can see exactly what that looks like. Now, what I love so much about this wig, y'all, I think it's the curl pattern. This curl pattern is just, it's so full, it's so luscious. Y'all, when I tell y'all I didn't get barely any shedding, it was easily able to detangle this hair. I literally just wet it, ran my brush through it without even putting any products on it, and it still was just it's the curl pattern for me. Like, it's the curls for me. And then the fact that it's actually 200% density, as you can see me just inserting clips and how full this hair is. The hair is completely soft. So y'all know when it comes to me, I use the same products in all of my curly hair. That's water. I may use a little bit of Shea Moisture Enhancing Smoothie. I did not have to use that for this hair because it was already soft. And then I go in with the Lotta Body Foam Mousse, and I do that to kind of lock the curls in together to style the hair while it's still wet. And then when it dries, you know, you got these luscious curls. Y'all, all I had to do after I was done with that was put a little bit of my Bio Silk, which y'all know that's my favorite oil to use inside of my extensions. I put some of my Bio Silk on my hand. I just used a little bit, and I ran my hands through this hair, and y'all, it's everything. I love it. 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 So if you are looking for a headband wig, y'all know that the headband wigs is definitely trending right now. When I tell you, believe the hype, the trend is going for a reason. I absolutely love how easy it was for me to put this wig on. I literally popped it on in 2 minutes and I'm good to go, besides the styling part. Literally just popped it on. My hair is straight back in a ponytail. They gave me a wig cap to put on, but as you can see, I didn't even open it. I didn't really need it. So why use it if I don't really need it right now? Y'all, easy, convenient, beginner friendly, no glue, no lace. You don't have to worry about any of that. You throw it on and go, sis, and you're good to go. So I know y'all want to see what the headbands look like, so I'm going to stop rambling. I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like. All of the information is going to be down in the description box below for you to purchase this wig. Let me know if y'all are feeling these headband wigs. And let me know if y'all purchase this one, because I'm telling you, this is one you definitely want to have in your collection, especially if you love long hair like I do, and if you love thick curly hair. I know a lot of people don't like thick hair, but this is on the thick side, and it's just the right thickness, I promise you.
Personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations. Please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live The nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me.